we have literature to support that Black people, when they're treated by physicians, do not receive the same amount of time than white patients with the doctor. And then even when Black patients are expressing, for instance, their level of pain or their actual symptoms, they're more likely to be discredited and then not actually prescribed not only the correct medication, but less likely to give pain medication. Another thing in mental health specifically is that Black people are less likely to be diagnosed with a mood disorder, even when they are expressing symptoms that are consistent with a mood disorder, and more likely compared to white patients to be overdiagnosed with like a psychotic illness, so something like schizophrenia, when you're not in touch with reality. And if you're given the incorrect diagnosis, then you can't get the right treatment. So then when you understand that, you can understand and have a current appreciation why Black people may not have inherent trust in our current medical system. And I think that's really important, because a lot of times you'll hear in the popular press, like, Black people don't trust doctors, Black people don't trust the healthcare system. But it's like, okay, but why? It's not just like out of nowhere. It's really rooted in not just historical maltreatment, but also current maltreatment, when we have the literature to support that Black people are not treated, Black patients are not treated the same as their peers. And then you have to think about, well, what about the physician as the patient, right? And how many times me as a Black woman going to treatment, I have been totally ignored, literally going to seek treatment. And I'm like, are you kidding me? So then it's like, I'm a part of this system that when I'm not in my doctor role, right? Because nobody knows that, I in itself, again, impact. And so I think that's just a double whammy of like how sordid this can be. It's a very real experience for Black patients that is not adequately talked about. And I think the soundbite is just like mistrust, but it's like, no, that's really based in current and in historical maltreatment.